Hello, we are here at the K&M Conference and Trade Show in Atlantic City, and I'm here with Ben Leipold. Ben, thanks a lot for talking with me. Tell me a little bit about your history in the industry.
I've been doing it since I was a little kid. I'm second generation. My brother and I run our 2 locations now with my kids.
Leipold Tire.
Yep. Yeah, we got 2 locations and all family members running them. I've been in business since '75. So my brother and I are both here at the show today. Both my sons are back at our shops running them while we're gone.
Okay. Where are you located?
Northeast Ohio. We got a shop in Cuyahoga Falls. We got a shop in Stow. Just super simple. K&M is our main distributor.
Yeah.
And we've been doing it since I could walk, basically.
How many brands and how many bays?
My Falls store has 5 bays. My Stow store has 6 bays. We sell all the major brands. Pretty much everything represented by K&M.
Sure.
I get into all the other brands too. Anything that pretty much is round and black and rolls I can get from somewhere. We have our primary hub of brands that we like to sell for customers. We're not married to any one particular brand. But if somebody wants something, if I don't have it, I'll figure out a way to get it.
That's fantastic. Customers appreciate that.
Mm-hmm.
No. So tell me, what's a big challenge that you see in the industry right now? What do you, on a day-to-day, what are you thinking about?
Just keeping up with the changes. Working with customers. You get a lot of new changes, a lot of new things. Customers are more demanding. They expect to pay less but want more. It's really common. With the COVID shutting down the industry and changing things so much, it's just a lot of that has changed too. The money's different. Fund spending, there's a lot less of that.
True.
People aren't accessorizing their cars because they're already too expensive. It's just a lot of changes. More people are just doing what they have to do. And
how about on the other end of the spectrum, opportunities in this industry? Is there any sort of, tire vertical that you see is really going to take off here in the next few years, or service opportunity that you could think of?
We get a lot of the stuff with a lot of people are keeping their cars longer because of the expenses. So we get a lot more large repair jobs we didn't used to see as much of because of major issues and mechanical issues. Tire-wise, electrical cars are kind of taking off a little bit more. The tires don't last as long on them. I don't see anything that looks like it's going to hit the new hot market. It's just kind of status quo is fairly similar. It's just in different ways.
Sure.
Everything just takes longer. 20 years ago, you could change a set of tires in 15 minutes. You can't do that anymore.
Yeah, a lot more complicated, for sure. Tell me a little bit about your relationship with K&M. How long have you been with K&M?
12, 14 years, quite a while. We used to have a primary distributor that was out of Chicago. That's where Mastercraft came from. They got bought out by a larger company that's not so customer friendly. And that's when we met Kel with K&M, I think close to 13 years ago. He's our rep. K&M's fantastic to deal with. Easy, friendly. You get to know everybody. You're not waiting on a phone hold forever. Everybody's helpful.
Yeah.
Everything can be done by the phone, by email, online. You can choose how you want to do it, and it's all quick and easy.
Well, what in your mind is one of the big advantages of having a partner like K&M?
They're fast and reliable, and you can trust them. Products are all good. You ask somebody to do something, it's done. You need something to be handled, it's handled. You're not just a number. They come visit. We do things together. Not only are we in a business relationship, but we make friends and partnerships in other ways. And every one of the guys you meet, it's just good to be around. There's sales guys or saleswomen that are not our reps, go out of their way to help each other out. They all help each other too. We've been in businesses and different things where you have, this isn't my territory, call so-and-so, and you pass it around, and they don't do that. If they can pick it up and help you out with it, it doesn't matter whose territory, they help.
That's fantastic. But thank you so much for your time.
Yep,
really appreciate it. Take care.